Keep Scotland Beautiful's strategy is a strategy for everyone. For too long, Keep Scotland Beautiful has been just the name of our charity, but it really should be a national mission that everyone can feel they have a place in. We want to keep Scotland's streets clean. We want to address the issues of climate change. We want to address the issues of nature and biodiversity loss. And we want to improve the places where we live and work. Everyone has a role to play to keep Scotland beautiful.
I keep Scotland beautiful by leaving the car at home and using active travel where I can.
I keep Scotland beautiful by picking up bits of litter on my walks every day.
I travel by train when I can to keep Scotland beautiful.
To keep Scotland beautiful, I go litter picking.
I use my Forever cup to keep Scotland beautiful.
We keep Scotland beautiful by giving our bugs a home.
I keep Scotland beautiful by taking a reusable water bottle when going hiking.
Blooming Inverkip keeps Scotland beautiful. And how do we do that? Well, we grow vegetables. Simple as that.
A cúmal alpa alain le bhí gléig an ceangal I to airneocht canan sculptor.
I keep Scotland beautiful by leaving things how I found it.
Keep Scotland beautiful by picking up the litter and put it in the bin.
I keep Scotland beautiful by avoiding single-use plastics.
We want to keep Scotland beautiful!
You can join us to help keep Scotland beautiful, not just for ourselves and future generations, but for the sake of the rich and varied biodiversity that supports all life on Earth. Together we can all inspire action for our environment and keep Scotland beautiful.